What's up, you guys? Welcome to a brand new video. As you saw by the title, I finally have in my hands the Beauty Creation x Murillo twins collab. Finally, girl, I was waiting for this for about a month. I don't even know if it was a month, but it felt like an eternity, to be honest. So here I have it. I am so excited to show you all the goodies that I got. So if you want to see swatches, I will leave a timestamp on the screen so you can go and see the swatches if that's all you're interested in. And if you want to see what I think about all that, if you want to see what I think about them and all that stuff, if you want to see what I think about all this stuff, please continue watching. So here we have the box. I do want to mention that I did want to get the PR box because it was so pretty and all that, but that literally sold out in like 2 minutes. I literally was on as soon as they came out. I was in line and all of a sudden it said it was sold out, and then the thingy was like glitching because all of a sudden everything was sold out. Then it came back. Like, I was so confused, but as you see, I was able to get some pieces. So let me show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got was one pair of each of the lashes because, like I've said in the past, I don't wear a lot of lashes for everyday wear, but when it comes to YouTube videos, I do wear them for you guys. So this one is in the style Brianna, and can we just talk about how pretty her makeup here is. So this is a little sleeve, so you take this off, and this is the lash. The boxes are super smooth and their name is engraved all over the box, which I think is super pretty. And this is the lash. I feel like this is such a beautiful, beautiful lash. And the curl is really pretty too. So that's one of the lashes. I will leave the price on the screen for you guys because in my little note, it doesn't have the price. So the next one is Brittany's, and her eye makeup is beautiful as well. And this is more of a dramatic lash, and it's so pretty. Like, I don't think I've seen a lash like this, to be honest, and the curl on it is beautiful. You're probably gonna get like doll eye effect with this lash. So it's so pretty. And like I said, this one does have Brittany's name all over it, and the boxes are really, really nicely made. So the next thing I got was 2 lip kits of each one. So this is Brianna's. Can we talk about her face? Oh my god, she looks stunning in this picture. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute and elegant. I love the look that they went for this collection. So it is a sleeve, so you pull it up and this is what it looks like. So it comes with a lip liner and a bullet. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So the bullet looks like this, and the shade is called Brie Brie, which I thought was so cute. And it does have a heart right here. It is smeared because I do film Spanish videos. Oh, it also has it right here. I didn't even notice that. So I'm going to swatch it. Like I said, I do film Spanish videos. That's why I'm like all over the place with the swatches. But this is the lipstick. Super pretty color. I cannot wait to wear this, guys. I cannot wait to film videos, which I'm going to be filming looks for you guys. So keep on the lookout for that. And then this is the pencil. It's called Moi. And this is the tone. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this. So the next kit obviously is Brittany's. And oh my god, she looks stunning here as well. This is hers. Excuse my nails, guys. I know they look super ratchet, but I'm gonna get them done soon. So this is hers, and same thing, pull it out. And if you know me, you know that I love these tones when it comes to lip glosses. So when I saw that she made a tone like this, I'm like, yes, I cannot wait to get that. So this is the lip gloss, and it's called Only Be. And I'm going to swatch it for you guys right here so you can see all of the tones together. This is so pretty. And it feels really good. It does have like little fine glitter, but you can't feel it. It looks like glitter to me. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but it feels really good on the lips. So it's so pretty. And then the lip liner is called Poppin'. That's what she looks like. I do want to mention that everything is really soft to the touch, which I enjoy. So let me show you the lip liner. That's the lip liners if you want a closer look. Honestly, I'm going to be mixing a lot of these colors because I like them all. I think this and this would look pretty, these two, and then mixing this with this will give you another lip combo. So I cannot wait to use these guys. I really can't. The next thing I got was the eyeshadow palettes. You already know I love eyeshadow, and I have a lot here. I shouldn't have bought this, but I just couldn't help myself, you know? So here we have Brittany's. I'll give you a close-up. Super cute. She looks stunning in this picture, by the way. And we pull it out, and can we talk about this packaging? It's so elegant and pretty. I know that they made this cover like this because you know how some palettes get all dirty and they look all nasty and gross. Well, they wanted to make something like this so it'll be easy to swipe, and I'm so excited because a lot of my palettes, I do take care of them, but they get dirty either way. So I'm happy that they did that. So this comes with a mirror, which is super cool, and then it comes with a little protector, which I do appreciate when they put protectors, guys, because I don't like my palettes to get all nasty. Like I said, I do take care of them, but sometimes you just can't help it, you know? They always get dirty. So these are the colors. Super beautiful colors. Oh my god, I just can't wait to do looks for you guys. I cannot wait. Pretty colors. And then I'll show you the back of the palette as well. Her signature, it's so cute with the little hearts. And then I bought obviously the other one because, you know, I can't just choose one. I like them both. So here is her picture. She just looks stunning, like I literally say in the whole video. So again, you pull it out, and it does come with a mirror and a protector as well, which are right here. And then these are the colors. Like, both of the palettes are really pretty, but I think I like this one more. I don't know if it's because of the baby pinks and stuff, but they're just so pretty. I just can't get over the colors. They're so nice. So I'm happy they chose colors like those. And then the last thing I got was the face palette. Also, something really cool is that they come packaged in these bubble wraps, which is really good because you don't want nothing to be broken or anything. So this is the face palette. And I'll show you the back. And then you take this out. And there we go. Quad goals. Super cute. And then again, it comes with the protector. They're pretty picture. And then these are the tones for the blushes and the contour shades and all that. They're so pretty. So if you know me, I like colors like these. I never wear these kind of tones, but I'm really excited to wear it, to be honest, and also to use them as eyeshadows. So I cannot wait to use this, guys. And also, before I forget, I did get these little cards in here. So this one is just like, what does it say? Treat yourself. And then it has a code in the back to save some money. And then here is the card with their picture, which is super cute. So I do have the prices. So the eyeshadow palettes were $17 each. The foam mink lash were $8 a piece. The lip drip was $12 each. The face palette was $14, and then the PR collection was $79, which kind of sucked because I did want the PR kit. Obviously, if you would have gotten the PR kit, everything is cheaper that way. But like I said, they sold out, so I wasn't able to get it. And then it came with these pretty stickers, which I think is so cute and funny. And they're adorable. I cannot wait to put them somewhere in my room. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be doing I always say look and I want to say looks. I will be doing looks for you guys. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to try to get them up before Valentine's. So if you want to look cute on your Zoom call or just to sit around your house, who cares? Have a date by yourself, you know, you could look cute. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Live open, vividly, and endless. I swear to God, that could be the root of my flaws. You know, hard on your